Hello. For those of you who are trying to figure out where to submit your final work for 2D art, any of the 2D classes, your final assignment is your digital portfolio. The cool thing about this is that that is the place where you're going to be submitting any late or any missing work. So this is what you're looking for on Google Classroom, where it says digital portfolio. You're going to click open digital portfolio, and then you'll see there's a template for your final exam. This is your opportunity to show how much you learned and grew this semester in each art standard. Show with pictures and writing. Think of it as proving to me what you learned and what you did. Your final grade will be adjusted based on this portfolio. So maybe it's low right now. There's no, if you are missing art standards, you won't be able to pass the class, but your grade won't go any lower if you do this. Okay, so make sure you do this. You're going to open the slideshow, and there's 2 slides for each of the art standards. The first slide says read the instructions on slides 1 through 5, do slides 8 through 19, and then hit submit to turn in. Look at this slide to figure out what the rubric is. I need to be able to see your pictures clearly so that I can tell what you're drawing. So there's a score for being able to see your pictures, and there's a score for how well you explain what you did. Okay? The goal of it is to show how much you've grown in this class. There's some more instructions. If you're not sure what to write about something, you could ask yourself some of those questions and pick those questions to ask about. And then you're going to get to the first slide where you're going to submit a photo of how you made a plan. Including 2 to 3 photos would help get you to a higher score. If you only have one, put in 1 picture. Show how you made a plan with sketches, mind maps, calendars, and diagrams. Okay, then here, put in what steps you used. You can type those in. So each of the 5 art standards that we learned in class and online has 2 slides, one for the photo and one for the writing. If you're not sure what to write about, again, you can go back and answer some of these questions to talk about your work, or you can also look on digital portfolio here for grow, connect, experiment, notice, plan. Pop those open. Those are things that were in your handbook if your class had a handbook. And you can refresh your memory about what we were learning when we were studying those things in class or online. Okay, so I'm waiting for that to open. Does this look familiar? So you can talk about how you did some of these things. That's what's going to help your score go up. All right. I'm recording this on a Screencastify so you can watch it again, watch it a couple of times. Again, you don't have to turn in any of the late assignments back in here. You can put them all right in the digital portfolio. That's for your convenience, okay? Another thing I would like for you to do is fill out this form about what you'd like me to get ready for you to pick up at school on the yearbook pickup day. You'll also be able to do a drive-through to pick up, and that is next Thursday at 1 o'clock. Okay? Please email me if you have questions or you need more information. I'm happy to help you and want to see you all succeed. Thank you very much. Take care.